All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to be here this hour because a lot is going on. And this video we're about to talk about, or what we're about to, analyze, is no other than Nkere and Akparawa. As you can see them here. All the Christmas got here. You look at the face and the smile, of Akparawa. What going on? Wake up where me that's not before. Okay, but now the result for neighbors listening is very so now one at time. Wow. Okay. I'm not against your dressing, but the thing is that all this thing going on, and like I told us, many people see people problem as a business. And the reason why, like I see, I don't know how to say it or how many times how many times I'm gonna say this for you to understand. I don't hate Nkere, I don't hate anybody. I just want to be real. Being real is to be truthful. Being truthful is to mean good for your people. I said it here. I'm a content creator, official one. I'm not a freedom fighter. Neither am I an agitator. I'm not. Unless if you want me to lie to you, then I will tell you that I am. But it is good for you to know people that you are listening to and know what they stand for. People that have, better IQ understand that I'm not here to cause problem. I'm not here to fight anybody. But if you hate truth, so be it. And this is not to say that I'm saying it for people to love me, no. Because no matter what, I must have people who don't like what I'm saying or what I'm doing. We have talked about how Nkere start manipulating everything. If at all, like they claim that PM is the one sanctioning them to change this and change that and register this and register that, if at all it's true, that means PM himself have questions to answer. And some of the question is, why must you trust Biafra movement in the hands of somebody who is ready to manipulate and hijack and run away with it? Imagine having a briggy government, what's it called? Government in exile. That has to do with somebody who don't even actually believe that Biafra will come, who don't believe in Biafran redeclaration, who don't believe that Briggy is for Biafrans, but to him is a private business. Not only that it's a private business, it's a business that he himself only can pilot. Somebody who is liberal may choose to register it with his name and become president and all that. It will be understandable. Not somebody who calls other people Achikote Kwano, I kick them out, you are nobody, only me is this, only me can talk, only me can represent. It can never go down well with Biafrans in that way. Our people are very, very unique and special. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. I'm not asking you I'm not seeking for your opinion on this one. I have to tell you the truth. This is not me bragging or hyping my tribe. Is not true. We have seen how our people show love when you mean good for them. They will throw love and support you in every ramification. PM is one of them. Mazagano is one of them. These are people that have proved that it's not about them, it's about the people. It's about the will of the people, the welfare of the people. But Nkere is totally different ball game. If he thinks that this is the best way to fight saboteur in his own word, first thing first, you need to identify, you need to know or ask yourself, how am I sure that these people that I call saboteurs are actually saboteurs? Because you cannot just label people in bad names to make yourself feel comfortable and happy. I am so shocked. Listen to this guy. And so Akparawa own is like what somebody said. One of the commentators on my video in our main platform said that he don't blame Akparawa, he blame our people that are throwing money on them. But even Satan also can call for fundraising, and people, we got the net. Some people love Satan. Yeah, some people do. So expect that kind of thing. No matter who you support, you must have people who always believe that they know better than other people and they have access to do manipulate and hijack. A lot of people have come to a realization that Nkere is not the right way, and his actions now is proving those people right. I for one. Anyway, hear this.
So that
in fact, before you hear it, hit the like button. Please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I would like to know your take on this. What do you think about Nkere activities so far? His own way of freedom. So it sounds funny. Nkere freedom. How? Somebody who determined to stop everything unstoppable, who did not even value or cherish the fact that Biafran, voted. More than 5 million Biafrans voted for self-referendum, gave their mandate for Biafran to be redeclared. And that's what they're undermining. And you want to tell me that the person is actually for Biafra? Really? Really? No, I doubt. And I cannot really believe that. Please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I'm going to start. Let's hear them. Okay? Let's hear them.
So that he will destroy some things.
APM. APM, they will.
Greeting.
APM.
First of all, the people that say they want to sue you, please, which document are they going to sue you with?
These people that he's mocking are those that actually funded everything in Briggy. The chairs, everything in the Briggy. He claimed that he funded it himself alone. Okay, if which I don't have any proof to go and guess it. How about other liaison office? Are you the one that funded? What makes Briggy? Are you the one that made it? You see, this is a scammers that are not on marks. They don't wear marks. They don't. Pure scammers. Unfortunately, this thing happening now that PM is not here. In fact, I am just shocked. Honestly. Akparawa. Anyway, these people that want to sue Nkere believe that Biafra is for Biafra. Briggy is for Biafra. They don't know that they have been scammed. Why I'm using this word scammed, PM is not included until PM come out and say, yes, he gave Nkere permission to do what he's doing now. Then, like I said, a lot of questions will be thrown to PM. So many questions. So many. But for now, because you are going to hear them claiming that PM is one that approved the one he did on 16, the question is why paying for Express? And judging by what I showed to us yesterday, on even this morning, on how Akparawa made a publication of security outfit of Okigwe that put on red, that they on red attire, they put on red clothes and all that, using pop action, making some videos that we have watched it here on this platform today. A man that cannot even stand on what he said he has or what he believes on. He keep on telling you that BLA is in their palm, is in their palm, is in their palm. But they can't differentiate between BLA and the Okigwe people. Okigwe vigilante. Today, the Okigwe people have come out and made it known to them that this is who we are. He started adding it to Go 247 video, trying to take that Go 247 are the one using these people, that he's working with them. But yesterday, a few days ago, you claimed that these people are the one making sure that terrorists in uniform are going down there. According to your post, not my word, according to your word, that they are going down on daily basis. Their colleague will come out and say, their followers will come out and say, "Oh, show me God's army, show me God's army. Where is your army? USB army. They are not army. They don't have army." Because they are working hard to make sure that somehow you present your, USB army to them, and by so doing, they will not turn around and tell you, oh, you are the one committing atrocities, you are the one that are kidnapping and doing this and doing that, see your post, to see your video and all that, then they will now file case to take CS away. So each time you see them asking you, where's your army, where's your activities, they don't have their own. Their own is to ask you, and these are groups that is and they're anti accountability. They don't like anything accountability. They hate to hear that. I mean, unless if you don't pay attention, then you can fall to these people's way of scamming. Listen.
You asking me or you asking them?
Maybe no, we're asking you as
you will borrow them, but you will borrow them document.
So does it mean that you will borrow them the first page of the article of BRGIE that is under your supervision? You will borrow them the first page for them to use it and sue you, or what are they going? What document are they going to use to sue you? Please explain to Biafrans.
They are not. Actually, they are no longer. They are not in brig. They don't have any documents, so I don't know. They are not in brig. They're just they are not in brig.
Now, this statement, it is unofficial that FallBack Briggy is 100% different from Briggy that you used to know. So for some of you jumping up and down, Nkere, he is in his own Briggy, private company, limited. You are just, in for a long journey. Eggman that was shouting, Ngozi registered her own, tower. You see, even if she registered a 3-bedroom flat, no longer tower, it is better than Nkere Briggy. That is just a fact, because it has to do with mandate of the people, people's mandate, not Nkere that can wake up tomorrow and tell you, I don't know, you get away. Private company that is being funded or financed by general public. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who?
Mazi Sonny,
eh?
They are not in Briggy. They are not even in Briggy document. You know what they don't know is that the night when you was on space saying I should lock everything, I already locked it, but they don't know about it. I was just laughing when I was listening. When you was saying lock, I said, see these people, I already locked and kick their ass out of there. They don't deserve to be there.
We have to appreciate you, APM, because when we said lock everything, lock all the lockables, lock them very well so that they will go to the toilet. You lock it very well. So our PM is very proud and happy that you locked everything and you secured BRGI article of registration.
Pure lie.
Another point is
PM is not aware of this garbage. He's not aware. But people who celebrated that he's not here could be those that have made sure that he's there. And I'm not telling you that they are the one, but their language, their actions, one may not be wrong for saying that then they are aware of what happened to PM. One may not be wrong. Listen.
They said you are the one that removed everybody's name. Please, how did Madam Azuka's name leave the document? Was it this time that PM was detained that Madam Azuka's name left the article of registration? Because these are something some people don't know. Over to you, sir.
No, our PM was here, and it's something with this, he know about it. So one is that since she no longer, before we come to the conclusion or decide what to do, since she have resigned and she no longer part of the government, so there's no need for her to be there, because we have to consider a lot of stuff. So our PM is aware of it, and not just her, Madam Arewa as well, and Ken, 3 of them. So there's something that happened when our PM was even here. So it's not like after our PM was called for question.
Thank you, APM. You have just clarified some point because the propaganda in the media that they have used is that you did everything this time that PM is already detained. So that means everything they saw on that.
And it happened on the same day.
September.
The same day, that's on the September.
September 16, 2024. And PM is the one that approved everything on that article to changes. While these
it's supposed to have even been done before that September. It's just that when it was done, I thought he already kicked in, but I find out that they are not yet still removed. So it's supposed to have even been something way before the September. So.
Thank you, APM. So, Biafran people, you have had it clear now. Every changes that you saw on the article of registration of BRJ on the 16th of September 2024 were done on the order and supervision and instruction of our PM.
No.
So if you are still being misled by the enemies of Biafra,
no,
enjoy the propaganda, the blackmail.
You can hear them. You can hear this guy with a series of lies. PM is not aware, and there's no way he's aware. There's no way he's aware. Please, my people, tell me what you think about this nonsense that these guys are saying. I would like to hear from you. God bless you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important. And your comment is very, very crucial. We want to know your feedback on the video and the topic that we discuss. Bye bye, and take care of yourself.